Mu'taz.
Okay. Moses?
Motaz.
Moses. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. From what country?
Jerusalem.
All your life.
All my life. My grandpa.
Okay. Born in the Muslim quarter.
Yes.
Okay.
In East Jerusalem.
But you have studied elsewhere. Where have you
What?
studied? You have studied, your education has taken you elsewhere.
Where I am studying. Now I'm studying on the Masjid Al-Aqsa. I'm studying the Islamic studies.
Right, okay.
Yes.
So let's see if he can answer this question.
Yes.
What makes this a mosque?
Maybe the adhan also, the first one. If you listen the adhan calling, it's calling mosque. Also the prayers, 5 prayers.
Okay, so you can come here 5 times a day to pray.
And also it's Islamic center that, Al-Awqaf, it's Waqf Islamic. This meaning it's for all the Muslims, it can't buy or sell.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, especially for the Muslims.
Okay.
Exactly here we don't make a 5 prays because it's open from the next pray until the 3rd pray.
Okay.
Actually, some of the old men's came to here to pray because it's a long distance.
Okay. Now the question, I know that first prayer is about what, 4:30 in the morning or what
Yes,
time?
around it's 5:23 today.
5:23.
Yeah.
Are you getting up to do your prayer every morning at 5:23?
Before that, yes.
Oh, you do?
Yes.
Okay.
'Cause I prefer to pray some of prayers before that.
Okay.
Listen, Muslims actually at least praying 5 times.
Yeah.
Yes.
Practicing,
Yes.
of course.
We like to pray because it's kind of meditation, you say.
Yeah.
We're thanking God, we glory God, and it's so important for us.
Of
Yes.
course, yeah.
The next prayer is when the sun in the middle of the sky.
Right?
It's around 12 and a half. Okay, the third one, we pray for 20 minutes
Okay.
from now. And the fourth one, when the sunset is coming, after the sunset. The fifth on the night, it's like an hour after the sunset.
About an hour after the sunset.
Yes, like 7.5
Okay.
around, yeah.
Well, I think usually when I'm here in the spring, it's always around 4:20 or so when that first prayer call is heard.
Yes.
So it's earlier at that time of year,
Yes,
apparently.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay. All the time. Yeah.
It's like
always changing.
from the sun and the moon.
Yeah. Okay.
Taking the, yeah.
Okay. Well, good. You got that.
That's it.
You're educated.
Yeah.
A little more.
Learn us some information.
Learn you. Do you want to
Yes.
know about this is St. Stephen's Gate and Sheep Gate? Did you realize that Lion's Gate
Okay.
began to be called Stephen's Gate
Stephen Gates.
in
Okay.
the 6th century and 7th century? And do you realize that that is where the Sheep Gate was 2,000 years ago? If you were to dig underneath that gate today, that Sheep
Okay.
Gate,
Okay.
the Sheep Gate,
Sheep gate.
the Sheep
Sheep
Gate,
like sheep.
like sheep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Is that enough?
So you're studying the historical things about Jerusalem?
Oh, always,
today?
always, yeah. Yeah, I love
But
history. And,
you are not teaching historical or something.
well, I'm not a teacher. I'm
You-
retired.
You are a psychologist or something.
well,
psychology,
I
right?
was a psychology professor,
Yeah.
but then I retired to write books
Mashallah.
and to
Nice.
do land development. So I put in subdivisions and things like that. Yeah. So that pays more than being a professor.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
So, okay, we've got to run. Good to see you again. Thank you very much for
You're
talking to
welcome.
us. Yeah.
Some candy.